Okay, it's on. So, this right here is the very first elevator in our world in Eco, which may or may not have intercepted with the road. We're gonna build a bridge over it.
Come climb in.
Okie dokie. What? It's... Do you have to make it wider?
No, I think it just teleports you.
Oh, there we go, now it's working.
Yeah, you just got glitched.
Yeah. Wait,
Halfway down.
it's phasing through pieces of rock.
We can make it wider later.
Okay. Oh yeah, first working elevator that we've made in our world in Eco. This took a really long time. You have one elevator call button, right? We
Yes.
just need one more.
No, we only need to call it down here.
Oh, okay.
Hey, down. Okay, there. No, it's okay. So let's see.
But yeah, anyways, it works. And by the way, you have one hewn log.
Bad news. We can't load stuff into it.
We have to place it we have to carry it manually. No. But hey, at least we have an elevator.
But that means there's a quick way up now.
Yep. Whoa, you're floating upwards. Hold on.
Caleb,
There we go.
I'm
Now
gonna
it's
shove a
floating
cart
upward.
in here.
What?
I'm gonna shove a cart in here.
Heck
Get
yes,
your-
I'm sure gonna test that theory.
Get a small wooden cart.
Okay. Why not the normal wooden cart?
You're big.
Okay.
Another thought, the elevator's extremely slow. We
Yeah.
could run up and down now.
Yep. But hey, at least we don't have to crush our fingers on our keyboard anymore. Look, it's a turtle. Tortoise.
Delicious.
Logs. Can I have?
said nothing.
Ethan, these logs here. Can I have them?
Oh,
Okay.
okay,
I'm-
get your small wooden cart.
Okay. Oh jeez, I just realized I have to eat something.
Right, Caleb, let's see who's really faster. So, we've got the control panel down there, so we can send this thing up with the cart, and then we can run up and see which is faster.
Yeah.
I think the weight of both of us were slowing us down. Okay, break the cart.
There's wet
Break-
tailings in here. Let's bring them down. These tailings cannot see the light of day ever again, even though they've been stuck in my garage. Or what I think is a garage that I made. Not even I know if what I made is a garage. It's inside, but will it go down with it? Hold on, I just need to reposition it so I can actually reach the button.
Jumped out and went the other way. And
Yeah. There we go.
Not really. You're not really.
It works.
The cart's just going down.
But you see only the cart going down.
Yes, I already see the cart going down. Okay, wait. Let me click it.
Okay.
Okay, now the
Now the elevator isn't moving.
no, now the cart's blocking the elevator. Okay, just let the cart go down by itself.
Okay, hold on. I'm on my way back up.
It looks cursed, but I don't care.
Okay. Now quickly. Let's run down.
The cart doesn't. Caleb,
Yeah.
cart's down already. Caleb,
What?
the cart's gonna get.
Oh jeez.
Pick up the cart.
Come on.
Okay, I think we do need to make this just a bit wider.
I'm shoving more wet tailings here.
The elevator's extremely slow. Okay, let's do a live test. So, Caleb, take stuff from this. Okay, can you authorize me, please? It's just a small cart.
Okay, authorization. Open deed. Who can access? You. And me. For some reason I accidentally put myself there as well, even though it's my cart.
Okay, just shove stuff in. It's already full.
Maybe we should have brought the larger cart down here.
Let's test the small. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Up. Okay, now it's working.
Yeah.
Just to go down is a bit, you know.
Yeah. Also, Ethan, whenever you hover your cursor over anything,
I know. Just
The-
go down.
yeah, it stays in the exact same spot where it was. But that's so cool though, we have an elevator now.
It's the sound. Caleb, you know I can just whack the elevator and then pick it up and then we both plummet.
Please don't do that.
Okay, now we can hear it.
We have made it. Oh no. What? What?
Okay, now.
What the heck?
What?
Ethan, the elevator started falling, almost as if it had broken.
It's still there for me.
Yeah. It just teleported back up.
Yeah. They're still working on the transport of the elevator. They even said themselves. The elevator's still bugged. Okay, Caleb, let's try with this. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope.
That definitely can fit on there. I just can't I touched the cart. Ethan, I accidentally touched the card that says, do not touch this card. If you do, there will be punishment and...
Okay.
I see
Hold
only
on.
the cart moving.
Yeah, that's what I saw. And now you...
I'm floating.
I think the one that clicks the button it isn't bugged for them.
Ethan, I'm also touching the cart.
I know.
The cart that should not be touched.
You're actually just hovering a centimeter above it. You're hovering a centimeter above it.
And the cart and you are slowly floating down to the bottom.
You are, for me, you're in the. Now you just jumped off.
Yeah.
And
That
now I'm
looks
stuck.
so weird though. I'm pretty sure the elevator's just gonna like pop down here as soon as it hits the floor.
Okay.
Nope. I still can't see the elevator. I got caught on that.
Okay. Okay. Why didn't you click the down button?
Oh, it's right here now. What? It came out of
Okay.
nowhere.
Load stuff in.
Okay. Okay. Come on.
Let's see. Hopefully. Okay. So also carry some sandstone in your hand.
Okay.
Oh, no. And it's stuck.
Oh. It's stuck on that. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I touched the cart.
Okay. So now, Caleb, as you know, run up the
Okay.
staircase. Run up the staircase. Let's see if we're faster than it.
I am not faster than it. Come on. Come on, we can do it. I hear the elevator.
Not even halfway.
What? Oh, wow. I see nothing but you and the cart coming upwards.
It looks like the one who clicks the button. Go up. And now it's stuck. Caleb. Caleb!
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. It's falling down. Hi there.
Okay, drop it.
Well, I guess it's just gonna go on top. Oh, it fell through.
Coming down. Okay. Caleb, why don't you click? Oh, it teleported down here.
Oh, boy. Oh, jeez. No. Go down.
Caleb, move!
I am out of the way.
You made this cart be stuck.
What? You were the one who started it. By getting
Push the up button.
by somehow getting the cart stuck.
Did you push the up button?
Yes.
Well, the elevator wasn't
But-
going up.
The elevator's also not going up on my side. Oh, there we go.
And now. Caleb,
Yes?
like one person just misclicked the button at a time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so one person only can click the button. No, don't, Caleb, don't click the button. Don't click the button. Don't click the button.
Okay.
I think it's like 2 elevators.
I'm
One
at the
elevator-
tippy top.
So the button that I pressed let me go up. The button you pressed let the cart go up.
Okay.
Now the cart's on the roof.
Yeah. I see nothing but you and the cart. Coming
Yeah,
up
so-
here.
So okay, now I just must drag the cart off the roof.
I buried a tortoise alive.
No, 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 no. Okay, Caleb, how are we gonna get this thing off? Well, Caleb, I think we have
Yeah.
a permanent fixture. So here's the storage cart, Caleb, where we're gonna load our materials on. This cart refuses to get off.
Hold on,
Why did you mine Why did you mine below me?
Ethan, we have the oddest looking road now.
What?
We have the oddest looking road now.
Oh! No wonder nobody puts you in charge of design.
What?
Diamond heart.
What, you just teleported back up.
No, cart, please move. Move, cart.
Also, Ethan, what do you mean no one puts me in charge of the creative things and design?
And engineering. Cart, move. Deb, I'm wondering about something. Can we put like a car in it?
I think that's just overkill now, Ethan.
No, but
Which
Mm.
car do you want to put in there, the cart or the truck?
what do you think?
The truck would be the smallest, but it's not short enough.
Nor the car.
Yeah. It's like 5 blocks long. So obviously we can't fit a car down there through the elevator. But maybe
Listen
we
away.
could do it with a tractor.
But it said used for carrying loads. Unless if the loads are humans, then I don't know what it meant by loads.
Hmm.
And I refuse to let the only cart that can fit in there be that tiny little blue cart. Okay, so now we learned only one person may click the button for a trip at a time.
Okay.
And another thing is, don't play with the elevator because there might be consequences.
Okay.
And 3, if you bored, just stare at the wall and watch the ores pass you.
Okay. Also, Ethan, you know that ramp
Yeah.
that that we need to build, that will be by the you know, the intersection,
Yeah.
that ramp that we still need to build? I really want to build that ramp now. Do you know why?
Why?
It's because I'm so tired of having nowhere to get my cart down other than going all the way around to use the ramp on the other side.
Okay.
And it's very slow in this cart.
Finally. Okay.
Oh, you
Caleb.
reached the surface.
Okay, so as long as you don't mess around with the cart, it works perfectly.
Okay.
Help me pick up all this stuff. Just shove it in my car. I have no idea how much is over here.
Okay. Let's do this. Uh, oh, there's even more road over here.
Yeah, leave the road just for now. I'll get back to it.
Well, then can't I do it if no one else is going to do it?
I'm just getting the rest of the road.
Oh, okay.
A lot of road. And when I mean a lot,
Hold on, let me just move this stuff out of the way.
Caleb, I've got about 150 road here. And you heard me right, 150.
Mm-hmm.
150.
Yeah, Ethan, I heard you. 150.
Okay. Well, you know what to do. Start digging. Okay, so, place 1, 2, 3, and remove this over here.
Okay.
Okay, and you know what to do now. Just move road to fit in the second ramp. Caleb, that's a bit too much. You're
Oh,
moving
sorry.
a bit too much. Because remember, a ramp's only 4 blocks long. And you're making it 5. Oh, come on. It's like this car's weak spot. You look at you can like push the car in the front and you can push it off the universe. Now I just buried a tortoise alive. Okay there. Caleb, where are you?
I'm right up here.
So remember, remove the second. Come on, remove the car.
Wait, oops. Cool, we now have a 3-block wide road.
Start shoveling like a maniac. There's a legal cactus, Caleb.
I can legally chop it down. Give me that cactus. I need the wood. I think that cactus was a little too small for you to say timber.
Yeah, timber's only trees.
Not tiny cactuses that you can literally grow in someone's pots.
Well, actually, my person still said timber while chopping down like that miniature cactus.
Oh man, come on.
Caleb,
Yeah?
just keep on scooping. I've got for days. Caleb,
Shouldn't
no,
we
that's
work on
fine.
making the rest of the road 3 blocks wide as well and slowly work our way into a 2-lane road?
Caleb, it's
Yeah.
already a small 2-lane road because remember, it's gonna be mostly car. So just for a nice decoration, look. Just because
Isn't that a little unnecessary?
it looks nice.
Yeah, I
Right?
know it looks nice, but it looks a little unnecessary.
Okay, so which one looks better?
Also-
This or this?
I know the line road looks better, I just think it's unnecessary.
Okay, you think it's unnecessary, then no lines. No cool lines.
Okay, then fine, we can have it if you want. This
Nah.
isn't my server after all, this is yours.
Yeah, it's just gonna be this one lane. Okay, get building. If you're going against my judgment, you better get building. Come on, dig. It's like when a shovel fails to dig something, it breaks. Okay. Okay, get the building materials and just start building.
Okie dokie.
But Caleb, if I have to be truthful, you're still gonna be like, you still have to like take your cart around the long way,
Yeah.
because you still have to take your cart all the way to this road over here. Okay, the rest of the asphalt we're gonna use to expand the other roads. Okay, come.
Okay. It's just one block here that isn't road that I'm just irritated about.
So Caleb, I sort of like this design like this. Look here by the crossroads, a stone road path like this. It looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But as you know, we have to remove it.
And we can
Sorry,
use the
road.
stone road for something else maybe.
And I know exactly what to use. Oh look, here's a pedestrian lane. Yeah.
So then this one must be a little something like that. Because you know we're gonna have it on this side as well.
Yeah, I know. What's polluting the sand over here? Look, the sand's slightly polluted.
Geez, it's 20% polluted.
Probably again by pollution. Here, come get shoveling. Okay, what's making you the pollution here? Oh, I think it's my car.
Oh,
It does have tailings in it. It has been parked there for a length of time.
we can just place road inside of the wheel.
Come on. Look. Caleb, what are you doing?
Replacing the road with a different type of road.
No, 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 you're not wasting asphalt on that. Place a stone right there.
Ethan,
Asphalt.
I just picked it up, then placed it down again.
What on we have to carry on with this horror show another day. Caleb.
Yeah? Ethan, is your time up?
Hello.
Or something?
It is.
Oh, okay. If only I could continue playing.
Goodbye.
Bye, Ethan.